Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a green glitter eyeshadow look. So if you want to know how I got this, then please keep watching. Okay, starting off, I already have my foundation, concealer, translucent powder, and eyebrows already done, just because it's the same as in my last video. So next I'm just going to brush over the concealer that's on my eyes just to make sure there's no creases. And then I am going to take the translucent powder and just set my eyes real quick. And just put it in the pan and then take a flat brush and just apply that on my eyes. Okay, so after I've done that, next I'm going to take just another transition color. I'm going to use the Carli Bybel palette. It's this like middle brown shade right there, and just apply that with a Sephora blending brush into my crease. And you want to just do like small circular motions just to make sure you really blend it out good. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to take the shade, I think it's pronounced Realgar. It's that shade right there from the Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm going to use a Kylie Cosmetics blending brush and just put that in the outer corner. Okay, so once I've blended that into the outer corner, I'm going to take that same shade and just blend it in the lower part of my crease just to give some more color. And make sure you keep it like at the very like bottom of your crease, just so you don't completely like cover the brown. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich. Throw that to the side. And then I'm going to take the same shade and just really pack that into the outer corner just so it's nice and bright and you don't lose that color once I do the lid color. And then just lightly blend that out. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah, when you're not around. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same for the other eye. So once you have both eyes done with that, then I'm going to carve out my lid space just so it's like a blank canvas so I can apply the lid color. And I'm just going to take the Almay Concealer in light medium and just another Morphe brush and put that on my lid. I get those goosebumps every time. And I'm not really doing like a cut crease. I'm basically just kind of placing it on half my lid, but not really precise like a cut crease would, because I'm going to go back and blend over it so it won't even matter. Then I'm going to take this bright green shade, I don't know if you can see that, from the X-Ray palette. These eyeshadows are, I kind of made my own palette, but you can get them at Glitter Injection. And I just put a couple in a palette. And it's kind of hard because it'll like fall everywhere, so you really have to like keep it on the brush. And just pat wherever you want to place it. And I'm going to try to keep it like on my lower lid just so I can like diffuse it into my crease and not have like green glitter all in my crease.
Yeah, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't want it back for them to miss me. I guess I see the things that they be wishing on me. I hope I got some sisters that I live in.
Okay, so once you have that done, then I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom lash line. And since the top is so dramatic, I'm just going to do like the light brown shade we used for the bottom lash line. Okay, so once you have that done, I am going to take some of that concealer I used and clean up the edges of the shadow. Okay, so after you do that, then I'm going to take my mascara. Actually, I'm going to first set where I put that concealer on my eyes. And then I'm going to take mascara, apply that on my lashes.
Said you love me, I tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, very good. I even got it tatted on me.
After I apply mascara on the top coat, I'm going to line my waterline with the NYX. It's like a nude liner just to open your eyes some. And then apply the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara on the bottom line. Okay, so after you apply your mascara, then I'm going to go ahead and apply false lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so while I'm letting the lashes dry, I am going to wipe off all the translucent powder I applied. And I'm looking a little pale right now, so I am going to contour my face with the NARS Laguna Bronzer and just a Morphe brush. And after that, I'm going to take the NARS Blush and apply that all over my cheeks. After blush, I'm going to take the Becca Highlight and put that all over my cheeks, temples, nose, down the bridge of my nose, other cheek, and some on my chin. And then next, I'm going to take some of that highlight and apply it in the inner corners of my eye. I am going to take the Buxom lip liner and line my lips. And then I'm going to take the Buxom Lip Gloss in the shade Brandi and apply that all over my lips. The whole crew to the cruise, doing shit you don't even see in movies. And then after all that, I'm going to spray my face with the Too Faced setting spray and just spray it all over. Okay, so that's all for today's look. If you like the look, then go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more next week.